What's up, everyone? This is Giraj and this is Abhishek. Today, live from Souls Click. And as we all know, this is a pandemic situation and we can't go out.
And we are stuck at home too, as you all are.
So, we guess you are washing your hands properly.
And of course, taking bath regularly. Many people are not doing it, but you need to take bath daily.
Nice point. Okay, so today we are here to talk about self-portrait.
Yeah, we thought of doing some tips and some tutorials kind of thing on photography. And first thing which stuck in our mind is self-portrait, because you are alone, your camera is alone, and you need to work with your camera in this pandemic situation, right?
Yeah, so what is self-portrait? Self-portrait is a portrait produced by your own self.
Oh, that's selfie.
No, that's not a selfie. Selfie is produced by cell phones and self-portrait is produced by cameras.
So basically, portraits are made from camera.
Yep.
And the mobile companies which are giving portrait mode are just making us fool. These are not portraits.
That's for sure. So you might be asking that how to take selfie. First of all, we need 3 equipments. A camera, obviously. Second, a tripod. If you are not having a tripod, there is no worry. You need to find a place you can place the camera to click the photo of yourself. And third, foremost thing is you yourself, because you will win the frame.
Okay, I have camera.
Yeah.
I have a tripod. Right now
Yeah.
I have a tripod. But if you don't have tripod, I really recommend you to have a tripod. You can have something to put your camera on, but do have a tripod for various. There's a lot of good possibilities with tripods. Okay, now I have camera, I have tripod, and I have myself. Now, how to click it, man?
Okay, so many cameras come with Wi-Fi functionality. That means you can connect your phone with your camera, which will act like a remote.
That's quite smart sometimes. That is why that's smart device.
Yeah, and if you are not having a Wi-Fi enabled camera, there is an option of self timer. And I will suggest you to have a 10-second timer at least, because it will make you feel easy while you are clicking photo.
That's a pro tip. Choose a background wisely. A background which is good or even better without you. That will make your presence enhanced, right?
Yep, absolutely. So choose a background wisely. Now we come to the 4th tip, that is posing. If you can't pose good, your portrait will be disaster. So I will suggest you, as a beginner, you should recreate someone's portrait, like your favorite celebrity or your favorite photographers and all.
There's a lot of possibilities with recreation. As we go, it will enhance our creativity. And that is why we recreate the things. And it's a good process. It's not copying someone. It's a good process to learn. And the more you recreate, the better you will get.
It will enhance your thinking process.
And that's all for the self-portrait. I would like some self-portraits by you.
We can use hashtag, that is hashtag SoulsClick. If you use hashtag SoulsClick, we will come to know that you have created some.
We'll go through that Instagram profile and we will give a shout out to your self-portraits on our channel, on our Instagram. If you haven't followed us Instagram, there's a link.
And we will give you a shout out, which we'll find the best. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Yeah, that's peace, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. We're giving you more in-depth stories, in-depth knowledge about photography, editing and a lot of stuffs roaming around us within our limit. Thank you. Have a good day.